Today, let's have a look at this circa 1973 Triumph 750 Tiger. Welcome to Bader International and Bader Classic Auctions. As you can see, this motorcycle is beautifully done, but it's missing a few items such as the engine and the exhaust system. And obviously this bike was undergoing a complete and full restoration, and due to health issues, the project has been stopped. We do have the majority of the engine with matching numbers to this bike, and it will be selling with this project through our upcoming auction at BaderClassicAuctions.com. It is scheduled to start May 12th, and it'll be running through the entire month of May and into June. We have well over 55 motorcycles, many selling at no reserve, including this project. And we also have approximately 500 parts and memorabilia lots, all selling at no reserve. So make sure you check out BaderClassicAuctions.com. Sign up, register, it's free, it's easy. Get ready for the auction because somebody's going to get a great deal on this beautiful motorcycle. Again, check out BaderClassicAuctions.com. Thank you.